In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a couple of the selection tools in Adobe Photoshop. The first one is the rectangular marquee tool. So click on the top of the picture that I give you and drag a rectangle. Then go to Edit, Fill, and choose white for the contents. If you click there, there's a menu. Just choose white on the bottom. Leave the mode normal and the opacity 100 and say OK. Then go up to the top and choose Select, Deselect so that nothing is selected. Now go back to the rectangular marquee tool, click and drag again, but this time hold the Shift key so that you make a perfect square. Once again, fill it with white. And deselect it. Now we're going to get the elliptical tool, which is just behind that. So click and hold to open that window up. Drag an ellipse and fill it with white. And then deselect it. Now we're going to make a perfect circle by holding the Shift key. So click and drag and hold the Shift key, and that will make your ellipse perfectly round. Then fill it with white again and press Select, Deselect, or Control D. Now we're going to get the lasso tool, which makes free-handed shapes. So however you drag the mouse, it makes that shape. When you get to the very end, make sure that you line up with where you started. And then go to Edit, Fill it with white, and then deselect it. And just behind the lasso tool is the polygonal one, so pick the second one. And what that does is it makes straight lines. So you just click and let go, click and let go, click and let go, click, let go, click, let go. And then when you get to the very end, wait till you see that little circle appear, and then you know it's closed. And once you get that little circle, you can let go of your mouse, and it gives you the selection, and you can go to Fill, White, and then deselect it. I want to show you what happens if you don't close those two paths. So sometimes people are using this and they're clicking and dragging all over and they get this big mess with all these lines that they don't want. It happens all the time. What you can do is just stop for a minute and press delete on your keyboard and delete. Just keep pressing delete until you get rid of all the lines that you don't want. And then make sure that you close the path, get that little circle, and then you can end the path into a selection. So fill that with white, say OK, select, deselect, Control D.